Hi everybody, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Now today I've got a really cool, simple, and proven way for you to actually cut the rice calories by 50%. Now, in a previous video I mentioned how white rice is better for you than brown rice, and how there are really no benefits to eating brown rice, despite what so-called experts or nutritionists tell you. In fact, brown rice is actually unhealthy for you because it contains phytic acid, which inhibits the absorption of important minerals, and it makes it more difficult to digest proteins and starches. And this basically leads to, GI problems, stomach problems, indigestion, allergies, bloat, gas, and so forth. Additionally, brown rice, like most grains, actually also contains lectins, which cause inflammation and are at the root of causing many of our diseases and physiological discomforts. And if you'd like actually more information about how bad lectins are for you, which foods have them and so forth, please let me know by posting your questions and comments below. I'll then make a separate video about this topic as well. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you'll get notified when I answer the questions and I release the video. So the bottom line is that white rice is good for you, and with over 4 billion people eating it daily, it's giving you even further proof. Unfortunately, as tasty and inexpensive as rice is, most people just tend to eat too much of it. However, wouldn't it be nice if you could eat the same amount of rice, but magically erase 50% of the calories from it, and at the same time improve the glycemic index and thus less blood sugar issues? Well, the good news is that this can easily be done, and in fact, it's clinically proven to work. So here's how you do it. First of all, you get 1 cup of rice, and then just wash it until it's clear, right? Rinse it. Next, you want to boil some water. Number 3, you want to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then go ahead and add that 1 cup of white rice that you just rinsed and washed. And then cook the rice for about 30 minutes. And this is the important part. Let the rice cool down in the refrigerator for about 12 hours. And then you can reheat and serve. And that's it. So how and why does this work? Well, the starch in rice is broken down by our bodies into simple sugars. Now these sugars get stored and then converted to glucose, which helps give us energy. But when the body has more glucose than it can use, the unused portion gets converted to body fat. Rice, however, has 2 types of starches, digestible and indigestible. And the only carbs our digestive system can absorb get broken down into the sugars. So the goal here is to convert the digestible into more indigestible carbs. So if it can't be absorbed, it can't be stored, and then ultimately it cannot be turned into body fat. And this is a very important concept to understand. So to convert the digestible starch to indigestible, there's 2 key steps in the process of cooking the rice. First, you need to put a teaspoon of coconut oil into the boiling water before adding the cup of rice. The oil enters the starch granules in the rice, changing their structure to be resistant to the enzymes that would normally break down the starch during digestion. Secondly, after the rice is done cooking, you need to refrigerate it for about 12 hours. Now, this part is essential because the cooling process expels the digestible part of the starch. Once outside the rice granules, the molecules form a strong bond, turning them into indigestible starch. The more resistant the starch, the fewer calories we can absorb. And the good news is that indigestible starch doesn't change when the rice is later reheated. So there you have it. The secret here is in the order and the preparation, which actually tends to be true for many things in life. And the reason this works is because calories that aren't absorbed can't be converted to body fat. Well, the really cool part is that there are specific fibers that you can also take before eating meals with fat and or carbohydrates and sugars that will actually block up to 30% of the calories from being absorbed. So you can take the special fiber, eat, for example, a slice of pizza that has 600 calories, and only 400 calories get absorbed. Pretty awesome, right? And it's a simple and proven way to lose weight, or maybe enjoy some of your favorite foods occasionally in cheat meals, right? Without gaining weight or feeling guilty. And you can get all the details about this healthy fiber combination by watching the next video below in the description area. Just click the link and enjoy some of your favorite foods. Well, that's it for today. I hope this video gave you more clarity. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share the help with others so they can benefit as well. Also, do me a favor and please leave your comments and questions below. And please make sure you visit the link below in the description area about using that special fiber combination that will block the unhealthy fats, carbs, and sugars. As always, thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.